This gizzard fried rice will make you start asking for more. Hello, my people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Treasure Spice, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. To your pot, add your washed gizzard, season to taste. To your preferred choices, I had garlic, ginger, season cube, and then go in with your onions powder, curry stuff. So we were cooking fried rice, guys, so season your gizzard very well, because this is more like the base of everything. Cover and allow to cook. When it cooks on its own juice for like 2 minutes before you go in with additional water, and let this cook till it's soften. And look at this, guys, looking so good and so beautiful. Then now we'll move to prepare our rice. So to your pot, add in butter. I'm using butter. You can use vegetable oil if you want to. Then go in with some onions, saute for a while. Just saute your onions, let it be fragrant and all this stuff. Then do not forget to always season your onions. So you go in with some ginger, garlic, and some seasoning cube. Then you stir fry this for a while, let it caramelize for a while before you even think about adding your washed rice. Just let this fry off, my people. This is the base. Then going with your washed rice. I soaked mine for 10 minutes before washing it. It wasn't bad, but it was just washed, soaked for 10 minutes, and it comes out so nice, so that it do not get sticky when it's ready. And these, guys, you just have to keep frying it. You understand? This is fried rice. You have to fry your rice. You get frying chicken fried rice now. Trust me, if you fry your rice, going with a bit of curry and turmeric, it's gonna make a big difference, guys. So try this and go in with your meat stock and add additional water. You know, my meat stock wasn't so much, so I went with an additional water. And guys, look at how this is looking. I had to use black pepper for this, or I didn't want to go to any extra length. I add black pepper, stir a little bit, and I added some seasoning. When I checked, and it wasn't so nice, so tasty, so I adjusted seasoning, and that's it. Cover and allow to cook. The aroma in my kitchen was already nose blinding, guys. My neighbor was like, "What are you cooking?" And fluff the rice out when it's ready. Just fluff it out like this. You see how beautiful this looks? Just fluff it out. Proceed to turn off your heat and let it steam on its own heat. I'm making use of turkey for this recipe, so I just have to just roughly fry my turkey. Look how golden browns look, beautiful. Then to that same oil, again with my gizzard, you want to slightly fry it, not dried, slightly. Too dry, it will become too hard. So to your pot, reduce your oil and go in with your carrot and green peas. Slightly fry this still, you know, then season, guys. You have to season your veggies, so season this and slightly fry it still. Then I added mixed herbs to my carrot, and herbs have a way of elevating your meal, so that's what I did. Then add in black pepper. Then I went in with some bell peppers, yellow, green, and red bell peppers, and I still fry this in. You know, just keep frying. We're cooking fried rice, my people. Trust me, you're going to love this. This is frying. This is looking so good and beautiful. Then I want to go back to our rice. It's not well done. Then turn your veggies into it. Guys, we are not done. Not at all. We are not done. Stay tuned. The next thing you're gonna have to add your fried gizzard into this. Some sweet corn, some kidney beans, and stir this, mama. Stir this goodness, my love. Trust me, you're going to love it. After stirring for so while, look at how this is looking so good and yummy. Then I went in with some cabbage. You add some cabbage, you have to add it. It just gives you this crunching feeling when you add cabbage to your fried rice. And I keep stirring and stirring and stirring. You know this thing now. To just cover and let it simmer a little bit. Then voila, our fried rice is ready, my people. It's looking so good, so gorgeous, and it's not just looking, it's tasting so good. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.